In this video, we are going to check out how to produce the descriptive statistics of a variable according to different situations. In this example, we are going to analyze the wage of a list of workers according to their gender. So if they are males or females, men or women. Well, remember that you can produce the descriptive statistics by means of the data analysis toolbox. You simply have to go to this data analysis option, and then you select this variable. You select it. Okay, you say that you have labels in the first row, and then you go. Oh yeah, sorry, we have to check that we want the descriptive statistics summary, and we have the result here. Okay, we have the mean, the median, etc., etc. Okay, but here we have males and female. So what can we do in order to solve this problem? Well, we have a first option, which is just using what is called the dynamic tables. Well, first we select the block, and once the block is selected, we say that we want to insert a dynamic table. By doing this, we simply see that we have this option, and we go here and we want to check out that we want some gender analysis of variable wages. So if I put here, you will see that we have the sum of wages. I don't want the sum of wages. I want, let's say, I don't know. I repeat what I do. I just select this arrow and then a configuration of this. And then I have several options in considering the average, the standard deviation, minimum, maximum, the variance, etc. I can select, for instance, the standard deviation, and I can see that. I can also go for additional indicators by just selecting again the variable wage. I put it there, and then I select, click, and then I go for the mean. And then you can see that I have the mean of wages for both men and women, right? There is another option, although that will not be presenting that in a table. We just put in the gender as a filter. If we put that as a filter, we see the mean and the standard deviation of all. But if we select here male only, we have the results, or women only, we have the results. But we don't see everyone at a time, which I think is much better if we do it that way here in the rows option. Okay, what else? The other situation or the other solution we can derive is just to sort data sort according to a criterion. In this case, the criterion is well, my data has some labels, some headings. We sort it according to gender. You see that we have males, and then at the bottom we have women. Right. If you say what is the wage for male and what is the wage for women, what I can do is just say, I go if this is equal to male, then please report that. Otherwise, I put nothing in there. I do the same here for women. If this is equal to women, then I select that. Alternatively, I say nothing. As you can see, we have these results. Here is, well, I could have done this without ordering the data, but I think it's something you can easily do once. Once you have this formula already written, you come here and then you simply have the wage for males and the wage for women, for females. This is males for women, right? I select these two variables and then I go to data analysis, descriptive statistics, and I just have this new block of data, and then I summarize it. Sorry. Okay, yeah. Here it's saying that we don't have, numeric data because it's like this is something weird for that. So we can simply copy these numbers, copy, and paste it as numbers, and then here I expect what I do is just remove everything. So I suppress, and the same I do here, suppress. I remove the data, and then with this, I back again, sorry, data analysis for both variables, and then we have this, the wages for males, the wages for females. Once we have the data like that, we can also produce, and this is interesting to do this way, insert a graph. We can insert a graph of both variables. The problem here, sorry for that, is that it's not interpreting that in the right way. But I could be producing just, okay, I'm just cutting and pasting it here, so I don't have the same amount of people, that's fine. And then I am presenting here again. Now, yes, I do that. Insert the box plot, for instance, and then we see both together. It's important that we present this properly. Let's say the minimum is 900 euros, and then we can see in the same axis the wages for both male and female. In this example, just there is an important difference between both, right? And of course, you can copy and paste these results in your output. Thank you.